Ricky Cox here, Forthright Plumbing. We've got a flange that's sitting above the floor. It's going to cause the new toilet to rock and wobble. Let's see. I mean, it's quite a bit up. I can fit my whole flathead screwdriver there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the flange out, peel out the inside fitting, and then glue a new flange down. Jesse's gonna record and show you the whole thing. Okay, so here's the tools you're going to need to fix this flange and cut the old one out. You will need a good sawzall with a good fine tooth blade for cutting plastic. You'll need a flathead that you can beat on. A hammer, or as I like to call it, my portable hammer. You'll need clear primer, clear glue, and a new flange. That's it. That's all you need. So here's what we're gonna do. Go ahead and get over my shoulder and I'll show you how this works. You're gonna get your blade as flat and close to the ground as possible. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna shove a rag down the pipe so that nothing falls down the pipe and gets lost. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut. Flange out. Now what I need to do is see how the pipe is higher than the floor? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this flush. Now what we're going to do is we're going to clean up our area a little bit, and I'll show you the next steps. Okay, so the next step, I've got everything cleaned up. You can see the old flange is cut level with the floor. And so if you come over here, Jesse, I can show you what we've got going on. There's the old flange, which is glued inside of the 4-inch PVC pipe. So again, I'm going to put my rag back down the pipe just to make sure no bits fall down there that I can't retrieve. And then what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna cut a notch into this old fitting. I'm gonna cut in 2 notches, and then I'm gonna take my flathead and use it as a chisel to extract it from the pipe, okay? And if you notice, a piece just fell down the drain, and that's why we put a rag down there. So I've got a little notch. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap lightly. Look at that. Get a little close up. There you go. Look, the old fitting just peels right out. And so now I'm going to repeat that process, just lightly tapping. Don't go crazy. Look. You can see the separation. And you can pry on it, and it'll all pop out. And so you're gonna do that until you get the whole thing out. Yeah. The pipe dressing. I've got all of the fitting out. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a little bit of sandcloth. I'm just gonna clean the inside, just real lightly, get any big burrs off with my knife, and then go back and touch this up. Just want a good clean surface to glue to. And then after that, which, yeah, that looks pretty good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get our primer and our glue ready, and we're gonna set this bad boy down in there. So we've got clear primer. Okay, so I've got my flange. I've got the pipe cleaned out. And so what I'm gonna do is I use clear primer because we're working inside. And if you spill purple primer on the floor and you stain it, well, first of all, you will stain it and your client will not be happy. And if you're a homeowner trying to do this repair yourself, get clear primer. Save yourself a headache. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get plenty of good primer on this pipe. Plenty of good primer on the flange. It glues inside of the pipe. And then what you want to do is when you set it, you want to make sure your slots are facing the right way. And then what I'll do is I'll step on it to make sure it's all the way in there, nice and tight. But now it's, you'll see it's tight to the floor. I'm gonna hold it. Okay, and then now you can see it's much more flush with the floor. And to get it even more flush, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some tap cons and screw this down to the concrete, and then it'll be perfect. Okay, so you can see we've got our tap cons in place, and now look at that. I can't fit nothing under there. We'll do the screwdriver check. Can't fit the blade of my screwdriver into there. So, yep. That's what you want. And like I said, you want your tabs like this so that way you can fasten your bolts down. Okay? All right. That's another video from Fourth Rate Plumbing. Good luck on your plumbing repair. Or give us a call. 813-300-2225.